BHF's been really impressed by the curriculum bill's commitment to health and well-being, and we're also really pleased to see that first aid and life-saving skills have been added to the guidance for schools. Unfortunately, there's still one major problem, and that is it's going to continue to be a lottery whether young people learn life-saving skills such as CPR in secondary schools or not. In some schools they do, and in some schools they don't. And that is why survival rates remain very low in Wales, with less than 1 in 10 people surviving a cardiac arrest in the community at the moment. This is a problem we can solve by amending the bill and the guidance. We can ensure that every young person has the chance to learn these proven life-saving skills in the future. The teaching resources are all available free and bilingually on the hub, and the evidence is unequivocal. This is why the WHO recommends that all young people learn CPR in school. Other countries have done this successfully, and England and Scotland have now ensured that every young person has a chance to learn CPR in schools because of this evidence. Let's not miss this opportunity and let Wales get left behind. We estimate that if future generations all learn CPR in schools, as many as 200 lives could be saved every year in Wales. Let's end the lottery and ensure that every young person has the chance to learn.